it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. If that sounds like your cup of tea or your double shot, please consider subscribing and giving the video a thumbs up. If you subscribe and you want to see more of me, turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. We are diving right in. I just got my Beautylish lucky bag. I'm about to jump out of my skin, y'all. I'm excited. It doesn't feel super heavy, I will say that, but it's a little bit bigger of a box than I typically have received. If you're unfamiliar with the Beautylish box, this is the XL version. This is a $150 mystery box, and the value is supposed to be at least $300. And I will read more about it once we get in and I get the card out. Every year has a different theming, and every year has a new artist that creates the paper that it is packaged in. It is absolutely stunning. I keep my paper every single year and I use it as wrapping paper to wrap gifts in. So I am somebody that's a weirdo and I like to keep my paper, and I'm very careful about making sure that I don't mess up my paper. So this is the Lucky Bag 2023. Now more than ever, we want to celebrate community and connection. This year's Lucky Bag design is dedicated to you, our global community. We hope the surprises inside serve as a reminder that we're all in this together. And this is based off of the Japanese custom, the Fukubukuro. Hopefully I'm saying that somewhat right. Where at the end of the year, basically all of the vendors will try to kind of push out, products, and they'll do mystery bags or lucky bags to kind of bring in the new year, prepare for newer incoming products. I'm excited. I also do not ever get any spoilers. I don't watch anybody until I'm done with my unboxing. It is always wrapped incredibly well. It looks like a lot of stuff in here. I hope I'm happy with this. And it is also bubble wrapped. I get some slack sometimes when I do this box, and this is only my fourth one, I think, because I'm very hard on this box. I'm going to be hard on the box, you guys. It's a $150 box. So I take that into consideration. Regardless of, oh, it was this or it was that, if I don't feel like I've gotten my value's worth, I'm going to say that I did not get my value's worth. And there's been a couple years that I felt that way. So let me take this big package out. If you watched my Ulta unboxing that I did recently, I did say in there, thank you again to Junior, thank you to my brother. Without him, I wouldn't have this because he did give me a $100 MasterCard gift card. So I use that to help me to be able to get this. It launches on the day after Christmas every single year. They have a very limited run. There is a $75 bag that has a $150 value. The $150 bag that has a $300 value. They also have a JS one, and then they have a buy one, give one type of deal. Everything will start shipping on January 10th. Today is the actual day you're seeing this, and it's the 16th. So I'm going in. I'm excited. And I never really have what do I hope is in here? I hope to get a palette, and I hope to get a nice high-end brand that I've not tried yet. That is something about Beautylish, that a lot of their brands are very high-end, more expensive, prestige luxe brands. So first up, we have the Good Molecules Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil, formulated with camellia and sea buckthorn oils to hydrate, protect, and nourish. They're a more affordable brand. I've tested multiple things from the brand, and I think they're great. I personally don't like to see super inexpensive products in a $150 bag. Moving on. Next up is a Oribe Feather Balm Weightless Styler. Style, shine, and weightless control. Specifically developed for fine hair textures, this ultra-light balm smooths and hydrates while imparting a hint of hold to blowouts, air-dried textures, and finished styles. So it says distribute throughout the damp hair, blow dry. I don't know that I would personally use this. I'm not really a hair aficionado, but I'm not unhappy to have it, and Oribe is a very luxe type of brand. I will also note that you did have the option to pick a lighter skin tone or a deeper skin tone, which I love. Advent calendars, take note. Next up is a little mini Visart quad. It says the Petite for Bouillon. I do not know how to say that. I'm very sorry. This is the Bouillon. Hopefully I'm saying that right. And that is what it looks like. Oh, okay. It definitely looks a little bit warmer here than it does here. It is a matte black with a few shimmers. Not mad at it, not mad at it. Still, I'm not blown away yet, but we're only a few products in and there's a lot to get through. Next is the Holly Frog Situational Skincare, the Grand Amino Cushion Cream. Soothe and strengthen with 11 amino acid blend. Ooh, that sounds nice. For any time, any face. Apply it as the last step in your skincare, but don't forget SPF. Massage and pat in a small amount over your entire face and neck. Repeat to build additional layers of moisture. I'm excited about this. It is a concentrated formula of peptides, ceramides, vitamins, and a blend of 11 amino acids. That sounds great. It feels quite heavy and quite high quality as well. I don't think I've ever tried anything from this brand, although I have gotten products from the Beautylish Lucky Bags. That is the component. Very, very heavy, very weighty. I'm excited about that. So far this is the one that I'm really, thus far, super excited about. I do just want to show you guys the component of this. Ooh, also very pretty. It's in this deep royal blue. So thus far, we have 4 products, 1 makeup, 1 hair, 2 skincare. Next is a Wayne Goss. I love him so much. The Luxury Cream Lipstick in the shade Carnation. I have tried his gloss, but I have not tried his lipsticks yet. I feel like that is a color I would maybe use. The component feels nice. I'm trying to see if it's magnetic. It is not, but it does click. I'm going to debate on this as well. Next up is the Ilia Color Haze Multi-Use Pigment. Cheek, lip. It just says cheek, lip, jojoba, and linseed oil, and the shade is Stutter. Oh, super cute. Color Haze Multi-Use Pigment. That color actually looks really, really nice. Now that I'm seeing this, I maybe would prefer this shade over the other one. I love this kind of component. Should we try some? I'm going to use my finger and just get a little bit out. It seems quite thick. Oh, I love that color. Oh, that's pretty. And we'll try some on the cheeks. Why the heck not? Hopefully it doesn't dry down too fast. I should have maybe done one and then the other. I look like a clown. Ooh. And I still can't smell all the way, you know, since I had COVID, but I think I'm smelling something and it smells pretty nice, what I can smell. Ooh, that feels very, very comfortable. Almost has like a blurred type of effect to it. All right, this I really like a lot. So I'm happy so far I'm overall happy thus far. I'm not blown away. I'm not blowing my socks off yet. Next is a Wayne Goss lip pencil. This is the Essential Lip Pencil in Natural Berry. Again, I'll use my little tweezer to open this up. Oh, that looks really pretty. Let me just look, just because I'm curious to see if these would actually go together. And yes, I think that they would. I don't think that I'm going to use these. Excited to have them. I love Wayne Goss and I've heard fantastic things and the glosses were nice. All right. Next. Oh, I got a pretty brush. This is from Sonia G. I've wanted to try their brushes forever because they're incredibly expensive. And this is the Designer Pro. Oh my gosh, that feels so soft. I love this. I think it is absolutely stunning. At this beautiful deep dark cherry, and it's like an ombre effect. Oh, I cannot explain to you how incredibly soft that feels. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm excited about this too. All right, next up, we're still going, y'all. We have the Charlotte Tilbury, the Mini Eye Palette. It says Easy Eye Palette for Charlotte, the Darling look, I guess. Is that what the thing is called? Yes, Charlotte Darling. It's a cute little palette. I mean, it's cute. I like that it's Charlotte Tilbury, but there's not a whole lot of depth in this palette, in my personal opinion. So I would have to think on that. And then last in here is something big. It says Slip. I don't know what it is. Pure Silk Sleep Mask. I'm not going to use this. I'm sure that it's somebody's cup of tea and somebody would really love it. So we have our Slip Silk Eye Mask. We had our little Charlotte Tilbury palette. We have a Wayne Goss liner and lipstick. We have our little mini Visart quad. We have the Ilia tint. We have the Holly Frog or Holy Frog, the Grand Amino Cushion Cream. We have the Oribe Feather Balm Weightless Styler. And we also had our Good Molecules Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil. I will get the totals of everything. Oh, and our brush. And I'll get the totals of everything and put our total value right here. All right, thoughts. I'm a little disappointed. There are definitely a few things that I will keep and will use. Do I feel like I'm personally going to use $150 worth of product and that I'm personally going to get $150 worth of use? No. So take that with a grain of salt. It's not horrible. There are a few things that I'm really looking forward to trying, like this. It sounds phenomenal. I will update you guys as well. The brush, incredible quality. The Visart palette, I think I will keep. I think I'll use it. Who doesn't love a good facial oil? And then this Ilia product, already I love it. I think especially going into summertime, I'm going to be obsessed with that. It's just not my cup of tea. I will say that I think overall the box itself was well curated, meaning I feel like there is something in here for everybody. There's a hair product, there's a face oil, there's a beauty tool, there's skincare, there's the eye mask, there's makeup. So I feel like it was at least a good blend of things. You didn't get, 8 just makeup or all skincare or all whatever. So I feel like it's overall a good box. I'm just not blown away. Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Let's have that conversation. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.